Hello Fairy Likes! We keep studying exchange investing. I'm sure that each one of you could improve your life quality in the nearest future if you follow my advice. Today we're gonna find out what the stop loss is, identify its specific features, and learn how to use them in specific trades. This video is a sort of follow-up for Take Profits. If you haven't seen the previous video, I recommend you watch it. The link will be at the top of the screen. As Take Profit, stop loss is meant to secure a trade and save your money. Investors usually use these tools together. Let's take a closer look at stop loss then. Welcome to investors and those who are trying their hand on trading. I'm Faye, your assistant, consultant, and business partner. I've been investing for a couple of years and had time to learn how the exchange works. I'd like to share my experience with you. I also have a team of professionals, so our videos have not only my story of success and losses in its basics. Together we try to tell about complicated financial schemes in simple language. Like this video if you think we are good at it, so that we understand that you like what we make, and we will do our best to record more new videos for you. We're not limited to YouTube though. The link to my Telegram channel is in the description below. I share crypto hacks and talk about the most current and relevant events in this sphere there. Besides, if you text me a private message, you will get access to my VIP Telegram channel. There we will make money together. I post signals regularly, and they can be used for getting into good trades and closing them with the most profit. My fairy legs, if I were you, I would jump at this chance. Today we're going to invest in XRP. Look at the 4-hour time frame. It's really hard to predict where the chart goes. That's short. We will try to set the right value. Today we might see how stop loss really works. We're entering the market trade 0.5451 and set a take profit value for 0.5332. The stop loss will be at 0.5575. All done? Look at the stop loss line. If the price goes up, it will work and save your money. There will be soon clear whether this decision was right. Let's move on. What is basically stop loss? Firstly, it saves your money. The crypto chart often goes so crazy that you're sometimes not able to get out of a trade and end up losing big money. Stop loss supports you. Besides, you can choose values for stop loss long and hard, analyze the options, and carefully mark them. In case when the market is unstable, you run the risk of emotionally setting the wrong value and making a wrong forecast. This move will make you a few steps away from being a millionaire. It's no longer necessary to monitor the exchange if you use stop loss, and it's convenient for you if you're a fresh trader and do something else for a living. When the closing trade pawns are set, you can go about your business with no risk of losing your money. You can get out of stop loss whenever you need. You might want to close the trade or change your values. It could be done at any time. Stop loss values can be edited as many times as necessary. If you're a psychic or can see the future, set random values for stop losses, then it might work out. But if you doubt that you can accurately predict the future, use a calculator. It will help you to know the risks, see the numbers, and come to a decision. Bybit has its own calculator. Make sure to estimate the risks. It's quite easy to set a stop loss value, just choose the one you need. One of the main things is to study the chart before you set up the value. You should definitely not mark the point that is far away from those most recent in the chart. Shortening the interval between stop loss and a current coin price too much makes no sense either. Try to find the value somewhere in the middle. If you're not sure about the result, set stop loss for a number that is not that far away from a current chart position. Stop loss is necessary when you open a trade and leave the screen unmonitored. Your money should be especially well protected when you're not watching the state of things and regulating your investments. If you're keeping an eye on the exchange and the chart, there is no need for stop loss. The only problem with stop loss is that you might not get the whole profit. There might be a situation when the chart crosses your stop loss mark and goes even further when your trade is already closed. If it's happening right before your eyes, you can set up new stop loss points. If you miss the chance, well, maybe next time. But you've made a profit anyway. Celebrate it! My fairy legs, I had enough time since we opened the trade to change my look. Well, let's check on the exchange. Well, as you can see, I've got the coin price movement right and made some money. The price hasn't crossed the stop loss mark though and dropped. I didn't manage to show you how stop loss works, but I'm happy to close the trade with profit. My fairy legs, today you learned a new investment tool. Stop loss should be used together with take profits, so you can be aware of possible losses if the trade doesn't eventually work out. The key exchange strategy is to use several tools and hacks at the same time and increase your assets this way. A smart combination of exchange hacks helps you make a profit and feel certain about the numbers in your account. Expert advice will serve you well. You can find tips here on my channel, and I hope you've already subscribed to it, as well as my social media. You will find the links below. It was Faye. See you in the next video.